А теперь фрагмент небольшого телепутешествия. Его можно условно назвать из зимы в лето по Аяму от поселка Немнырь до Тынды. Мы проехали по этому маршруту. Вот то, что мы там встретили и увидели, предлагаем вам как в качестве небольшой телезарисовки.
Elaborate on the microphone. Promise I'm not because my brain ain't strong. At least not in ignorance. Contempt of arrogance. I started 82 and I'm fresh ever since. On the mic, I like to talk about what's happening. It's getting all the ladies is really not reveling. Wake up, back to reality. I'm not into bragging, strutting, or bigotry. Or bigotry. Or bigotry. I get this, you will get this. My sister ain't get nothing unless the woman was pissed. The material thing is what people are looking for. Once they had a taste, they want more and more and more. More. I tell the truth, yo, sometimes it's sad, but take it light, my brother. Bees like that. Keep on running, baby. Keep on running, Listen to what I got to say. Come on, close your mind. Come on, be honest today. Brothers and sisters, aliens or white girls. Believe in yourself so we can make this a nice world. More to live in, so start giving. Peace, love, hurry up with fucking sticking. I tell you, yo, sometimes it's sad. Take it like my brother, bees like that. Keep on running.